our community. This is Local 5 News with Tom Zaleski, Michelle McCormack, and Chief Meteorologist Luke Sam.
Please stop in, bring us your donations, reach out to us on Facebook. We'll come pick them up, whatever you can do.
Now on Local 5, a neighborhood tavern showing some real heart for hurricane victims down south. Good evening, everyone. I'm Michelle McCormack.
And I'm Tom Zaleski. People gathered at Black Saddle Tavern and Oasis for a food drive to help those who live in Lake Charles, Louisiana. The Louisiana Gulf Coast community was hit by Hurricane Laura, a Category 4 storm, last Thursday. Nearly a week after landfall, thousands of people still without power. Homes and businesses were destroyed, and there is a growing food shortage in that region. So that's where the owner of the Black Saddle Tavern and Oasis comes in.
Max Barnowski held a food drive tonight, giving Northeast Wisconsin a chance to help. Customers arrived with plenty of donations. They're looking for a variety of things. Canned foods, of course, water, gas cans, portable air conditioners, and even some tarps. Tonight, employees and staff say helping others, even if they live so far away, is just the Wisconsin thing to do.
And they said they're not seeing much aid yet down there, and they were super grateful for our help and for us to even really care about them being so far away.
You do something like this and everybody kind of feels good about it, and we kind of represent the area down there to see that we care. And talking with the locals down there, they were just extremely grateful to hear that we were caring and doing this for them.
Donations will be accepted through Sunday. A group will then be driving down to Louisiana on Monday to hand deliver the supplies and make sure they get to those who need them the most. The Red Cross is also accepting donations for hurricane relief. Just go to our website at wearegreenbay.com.
Turning